think this is a beautiful shade here. We can sit here. You know, the sun is not going to come up on us in, I'm not sure, in a few hours, maybe 4 or 5 hours. But this is a good spot. Let's put our stuff here. Let's see, what do we got? We have gas. What do we call this in English? I don't know the name here, but this is gas operated. Oh, we have put some things on them. Okay, let's start. Gas. Can here it says it's butane, and it's 227 gram. Let's see how do we install it. This is here, and let's see, we put it here. Okay, and let's close it. So after 5 minutes of struggle, I managed to turn this on, and let's see. Yes, it's working now. So we are going to have some tea here, and I brought some tools with me, some utensils, you know. I'll put it here, and then we can make some quick tea. Let's see. I also have some black tea with me. See this one? This is Pakistani tea. It smells really good. And I also have some macaroni. Actually, this was sent by one of my friend here in my neighbor, and it's cooked in the I guess it's cooked in along with the you know, lamb meat, so it has a really good smell of lamb meat and macaroni mix, you know. Nice. We also have some cow milk, and it is 1.5% fat, right? And we are going to use this. It has some carbohydrates. It is very low in carbohydrates, so it's best for people who don't want to get high carbohydrates, you know. So yeah, it's beautiful weather today. I'm sitting in this tree shade. It's almost 26, 27 today. It's just beside my house here in the neighborhood. See this one? Yeah, it's a beautiful place to sit and relax. Looks like our water is boiling up. Let's wait for it. Don't! What are you doing? One thing I realized in my life, whether it's professional, it's casual, or it's like, you know, normal living, people need to get some time out, you know. I personally sometimes think that everything is over my head. I need to take a break, you know, get somewhere out, have some rest, have some gossip, some friends. Yeah. We have a bit of wind here, and it's I think it's disturbing the fire, but we have some boiling bubbles already. See, I think the water is boiling up now. Let's put some tea in it. Where is it? There. And where is the the spoon. Okay, Adiva will put the tea in the water. Come on.
Summer cup.
Let's try 1 spoon first. 1 spoon here. Yeah. Another one. That's it. That's it. For now, let's wait for it to boil more. Boil more. Okay. Let's wait for it to boil. Why don't you talk, Adiva? Adiva is boiling. Adiva is boiling. See, it's boiling. Not too near the fire, otherwise it will burn. Let's put some. Let's put
Milk.
some.
I'm going to zip a catch.
No, milk.
No,
Wait,
me.
see. Record. Yes. Don't do that. I'm using the the artificial sweetener, this one, and this works quite fine. You know, it makes the tea sweet, but does not affect your sugar level. So now it's boiling up. Okay. Let's slow down the fire a bit. Oh my god. Nearly went down. Oh my god, this is so tasty, man. Okay, so after a very good and tasty tea and some biscuits and some macaroni, I'm gonna lay down here. Oh man. See you in the next vlog. See you. Bye bye. Bye bye, Adiva. Bye bye.